What if the world were the Bodhisattva, waiting patiently, gently providing the space for us to wake up, coming back lifetime after lifetime? What might it look like if the phenomenal world takes the Bodhisattva vow? Enlightened Society Assembly, Karma Choling, 2013. Starring The Phenomenal World. Directed by Andy Richard. All Buddhas and Bodhisattvas dwelling in the 10 directions, please consider me. Teacher, please consider me. In this and previous lives, I, Phenomenal World, have practiced, urged others to practice, and rejoiced in the practice of the roots of virtue arising from generosity, discipline, and meditation. Therefore, just as the previous Tathagata Arhat, perfect, complete Buddha Bhagavats, and the Bodhisattva Mahasattvas dwelling on the great bhumis, first arouse the mind that aspires to unsurpassable, perfect, complete, great enlightenment. So also, from now until I reach supreme enlightenment, in order to take across sentient beings who have not crossed over, to liberate those who have not been liberated, to encourage those who need encouragement, and to establish in complete nirvana those who have not been established, I, Phenomenal World, will arouse the mind that aspires to unsurpassable, perfect, complete, great enlightenment. Bring this to mind the next time you're touching the earth. Feel its basic goodness touching you back and confirming your basic goodness.